yabre ewo ha enom de edika Auditor General ena afe EY ene PwC Price Waters Coopers woman aye let's say audit Obekaya, this is a background. Finance minister sometime last year and Okaya say ebra obeye finance minister no call office no and ohunu say nkrata sam no nkoye sika bia ese finance minister no eda wo muti so mutua no enkoye enti no eyade a obema ya hwehwem ena ode adwuma no ma auditor general and auditor general so kobo EY NPWC Price Waters Coopers for okobo omo pa say omonye audit no mfama no enti akuomi ensan ena ka bo mu auditor general EY ena PwC for na ye audit no na audit no na omo total sika na eda ho nyina no ena na omo ye audit no wo mu efa arrears bia na eda ho ene bank transfers bia na wo se omo audit ma ye hu se ade a ne kwan so ana na omo de audit no ba bonten no ye nhwe the summary of the audit no ni nsunsuanso no sadia wo mo eka ye no out of the 68.7 billion Ghana cedi yade ma se wo mo enhwehwe mu no total of 45.4 billion Ghana cedi eno de ya jetom se yetua eyeye a total of 8.1 billion Ghana cedi ya rejected ese ya no ya jetom a enyeye and about 1 billion Ghana cedi outstanding eno no bank transfers bia yese ya ye invoices binum a else yetuatua ye process ni nyina no ye enema ekoso afi 2024 no emu ya hwe ni nyina da ewo eho enom ena afi ochiremu se audit no nso no eyade a sa 1 billion bia eno so aka gende akura mpo de yenya enhwemu afi na ye behwem na yesimu gina ye ehunu se we na ekro ana we na eba eno so nkomo a ni nyina no epiemu ena about 7.1 billion Ghana cedi IPC for outstanding any invoices no na say ye requested payment de ama MMDA for supplies any contractors no any certificate na document or ma raise ya de kwaje hu sika eno nso no ya reject ye afei 13.3 billion I say is yet to be validated eno nso ewo eho enom na abusanfo menka enku maso eboa o hwemu a ehunu se ya say oko 1D 1F 1 district 1 factory no 1 district 1 factory no emuno ebusuanfo ne tie nie according to audit report no or say fictitious debt chese ekabia yasha da bodin $89.4 million 1 district 1 factory no mu say yentua sai sika no emfama wo mo say omutua buffer account bi a wo oman banks no ebi na according to audit report no omukohwe mu no krata bi ani ho adanse bi ani ho account number bi ani ho a kire de a omode akoto finance ministry say yenkotua sai sika no eno so ye asema baaye na obekaye a sa afeno nsuo bi anto ama ekomba esirem ho kakra na sa kom na eba yakuafo no ba ya nye no abaye na dwen se obeto aduane de ama wo mo adi enti sa aduane na obeto ama wo mo eno aban kokra emu bag baako empim aduasa enan 34,000 metric tons of rice na ena ban ye say odeko nanso asoye ahwe nuane kuaye nsem so no wo monsa kan 24,000 pe 10,000 na ka akire no ye hunu ye enso aban atua ho ka enti si obi afa emo bag no 10,000 edeko eno ye hunu ba bia eno no ewo aban so di kan atua ho ka enti audit ana auditor general a flag say issue a was say yahwehwem ewo ho na yehunu kwan a yede ebefa so na yahwe na sadia okire mu eno enye eno nko wo mo ohwe ene aburo omo kra aburo na aburo a omo kra ye no ho ka esom 771.2 million Ghana cedi na 100,000 metric tons eno so no kuaye aso ye no wo mo ne omo nsaka ye no na kire se ebi ayira ewo emu de omo nsaka ye no 11,900 metric ton pen omo supply no mo distribute ye nti ukote 11,000 edi free 100,000 more de aka akire no yetua ho ka enso nkrofo de awasa wo mo sere mu ewo ho enom ena uhwa eka ene eye sika bia omo so mo twetua ka na ede ebetwe nuane no ede ko ha ne ade no se sika na omo so mo twetua no ni nyina auditor general say nkratasem eni ho afei 160 million Ghana cedi eye unfunded teacher training allowance na sa teacher training allowance no eye dia teacher for no more ye trainee for o ma allowance say yetua de ma wo mo no according to audit report no wo mo hwe mu no sika no yentua ye yetua nso a ye hunu ne ye call ne ho enti eno so ya flag ne up abisa for en 7 dozen but yen sha se ne ye ni nkomo no ye bre no nti na yedi nkomo no kona ye de slice no de aka nyina ebetoto so enura na eye finance minister deputy okoken kan sansemi ewo Parliament House of Ghana de emayen na sabra me kasai no Dr. Evans Fosu atena se ewo ha enom oye NDC communication team member. Doctor, good afternoon.
Owoahene
na bom to say
radiadum bibia boko.
That's right. Meda say ode waba.
Ejuma wo bo e constituency. This week in last week na meet your program.
Okay.
Say wow.
Right. All right.
Yeah, journalist award there say it me award pa na wo bo ejuma.
Mu award me.
Wo bo ejuma pa.
For an entire program reading for God and country no.
Wo bo ejuma.
Meda say.
Na ye ejuma o ye ewo ye takwansa yem constituency
medase ba ma menye quick announcement with doctor mintwa wano me ba cho ye tiefo a mutie ye no ubetimi atie ye wo YouTube no betimi atie Sompa FM live o search ye YouTube Sompa FM live wa ubehunu ye no e wo YouTube enso entina wadi achi now your comment, your views are welcome here. And I'm more be friend on so number is 0546 618774 0546 618774 and a 0260196062. Doctor, na asamene dahoi audit report there minim say enye nne ena yate audit report wa ye bete say irregularities we akoso de ne ma we ye sononko e de ma wo as Ghanani.
Okay, me da say
yes sir
eye ewie so we di ntia kese e de ma honorable Isasale Futela MP for Tarkwa Nsayim
right
ewie mi chia no mi san chia honorable MC ewo ejuma one honorable MP omo collaborate omo ye in the Tarkwa Nsayim constituency. Michia me boss the communications officer for NDC in Tarkwa Nsayim. William Apia, popularly known as Honorable Koku. We minchia kwama no. Na Owoahene.
Yes sir.
You see this issue na metie finance minister deputy finance minister report na eden already no. You see, I was very sad.
Right.
Why?
Right.
Because on my ye woman a year aban bi ewo ho etimika say a year yedeka e ka yede 68.7 billion Ghana cedis. And there were irregularities in this a car near D.
Right.
And that former government in the person say they didn't see the irregularities, no. And could you believe that this irregularities is 1/3 of the total debt now? Omu claim say that one is 68 billion, and the irregularities is is 21 billion Ghana cedis. So it's almost 1/3 of it. In yes kaketwa. See here 2024. That time debt restructuring. Yes, that time Romoka say debt restructuring. That banking sector cleanups no. Sika nanke eso modera revive bank no kra na edru 21 billion Ghana cedis. It was not even up to the money that they would have needed to revive those banks now more suffer no. That money no na endru 21 billion Ghana cedis anameboa. But because of corruption and your fan say pesemin kumnya and selfishness in no. This in painful way former government no mo ya hwen say 21 billion Ghana cedis no enko waste and why so be catch say this security there you oversight nipa na oboa because documents no wa ho you see best start it you be koso e ka omo boy documents no wa ha out of the 21 billion no unim say 8.1 billion Ghana cedis of that total amount of money no after auditors report no yes say that sika no see a reject sika no because sika no say allow ni etua sika na e be kwa kogu nkofo kotokuom meaning sika no omoka say na yetua ya Ministry of Gender, yetua ya Ministry of Roads, yetua ya Ministry of Food, yetua ya Ministry of Communication ni no na ye nkontompo ye sika nki yetua ekọ nkofo kotokuom and nkofo ben former government appointees nkotokuom na sika we ekọ
mintwano I say why arrival at a conclusion because this is audit report and with every audit report sometimes auditor be flag an issue but auditor flag an issue ubehu say nipa no ye be call no to answer ana ye be kase bi o meyi bibia no obe ba no ubehu say na auditor flag no enye holy true
mama ga say mecho why
yes sir.
Current Auditor General when appointed no
the previous administration
Ekufuado na appointed yes. Into a Ekufuado government appointee
no because or a public
servant Ekufuado na appointed no
that's true
and if you can say political bias nko bi a was serving the MPP administration no say ko be ka say o pay lawyer to Ekufuado onye audit we in fa nsema ewo esumase yen den enfempie na busa ho sa den na 2024 went me anye audit we anfa this report anye den anfamba there were these irregularities ABC 2023 ABC 2024 2023 sika na eko MMDs ni ade ni other ministries na ni na aka audit report no adentina auditor na ntimi anye that report in that particular meaning ni ya wo ensabi wo soro wa no almost stopping or almost preventing him from doing that audit.
Ensaben
no the former government former administration in Sano they were holding or preventing the auditor general say on fast some of these irregularities in fine day and fan babonting. Let me make this clear. Even Cecilia Dapa ni issue nearby then former president Bekai. He came to defend the woman. Okay. Say Onyashe. What are
right. So yen diverting ko Cecilia Dapa.
So this auditor general report yabe. Auditor general report yabe. So because you say ebia political bias and I say ebia is not solely true because this auditor general no or survey in MPP government, former government. And now President Mahama buy when we say no. President Mama you be a who say uye adwuma ono ye obi oye no ho party sem say bia chenchina say wuntimi ye adwuma no mpo a or the more say da bi we so auditor general no betimi aye adwuma no no say sadia let me maintain this auditor general to do the work in auditor general no so no dia na e kan na o ka say menye audit in the previous administration.
Yeah, this audit.
Because on will say irregularities be
this audit, no, it is the finance minister in a sanction here. Ura atoforsen and can say what nkrata ne niema wahunu no or per se ye this special
and
audit.
Do you know something? It didn't that's a special audit.
Sure.
If say auditor no and I say BB or mobile and auditor na man no kwan say no ebia finance minister no ko no wan ka say listen enyoma bia na ekoso of former government na menti ase a new things that ka auditor no. Another thing is that okay say ebia oye we ankobe support finance minister and say may ye a very genuine audit the amount na instead ko betimi aka say oh me Ekufuado lawyers and I'm a server of previous government into no finance minister requested for auditor minya nyoma biala na min ko twa ntro nye den enfa nkyere finance minister but this is an auditor wetimi aye a clean job at the amount part what you say into way it's not something I say be a political bias that be because auditor no kra no or survey our previous government into way a real issue on ground part what you say and ya dia a former government on betimi aka say omu deny this irregularities here den happen because how on earth can you tell me that Omana Boka 21 billion Ghana cedis at that time, you know, na ye papa 4 year mama 4 more year juma mo ahumji mu omusika say ye de mo omo pension sika say ye de mo omo dia ye investment mo say mo dia debt restructuring ti mu nye sika na ye den fa mo betu sika na mo 2030 2036 2032 and na sefo because as a result of this a lot of people died from this domestic gas exchange program. Ni nechino mutimi mo budget. Ema budget ne broso 21 billion Ghana cedis sika ebe konkofo botoma they didn't even work for it. And that sign of MPP omo MPP the NC anymore.
Ehona oka se ebe konkrofo botom na ehona obi be pese obechirem ama yate ase because se bitre se bank transfers ya ye kan se omo ye ya se ebe ko banks no honom ama yehunu bitre se 1D 1F DA so omo tua ya ebe ko yebehunu wo receive ye ama yehunu enti no oka say straight away no audit na nkyere se nka ekwa esumesi ndo ka say wo dia ehono ne nkyeremu no ebeye ayi kakra ebeye den kakra obeye den watchra ma mate ase se ana tiefo ate ase se
mate bank transfer we no advices no is he one thing I was very sad. I say yesterday at the same time is that 89.4 million Ghana cedis 1D sika about 1 day 391 million Ghana cedis in the sika almost omutia 5 commercial banks 89.4 million Ghana cedis. Could you believe say banks that same commercial banks no 89 said the government doesn't even own them. It's never an na commercial bank and say abandoning the omuka no why budget say yen konko to 89.4 million Ghana cedis and farmers are commercial banks no meaning say anya audit na in ka be some account be ghost account be a omo create a omo de beji sika efri aban no de ide atum and ka say sika no so be cause some of these former government appointees what
how in which way because in which way the sika no betimi akọ because how our government finances operate. In the government, so na sika no be fa so akọ.
Honorable ato forcing buy no see your debt, your public debt na say. Your debt na 68.7 billion Ghana anameboa. Finance Minister Bianca oye ne nyoma onye careful and I say on say that anye smart enough. Nko beka say oh yaba ban bia or we jack out 20 the yentua say skawe without a special audit. They request for any other audit. Almost buy okay no. And I say omoma these banks and I say some of these agencies almost those banks omo anya audit no. Oh buy no yentua say skawe. and when him say MPP for more years idea and say Sikan ko 5 commercial banks one. Do you know why they deny the fact that abandoning the omukano? What if at that time, they made an arrangement with them? Say ye create fake account Eddie Ajiska in case Krana Banks Saba. Ye create fake account Eddie Ajiska.
One no agreement.
Former government appointee. Yes. What if money this 5 commercial banks here come one semi agreement to say
so here you have possibilities.
Say yen fan just say sika way. And every cry background memo say na me so mafa say. What if it was an agreement? By a special audit obiasro say new government aba. In this auditor general na here no I find out no catch us for documentation mi bra document say contract or now want me provide document. The best thing you have to do is that reject the claim that abandon the worker because who could try who bet me actually
doctor yen corner slow yen corner step by step na yen tiase because this is an issue at the Ghana for akoma so pa because Nintameka ya nye careful ya beya de we MPP NDC is a maximum 3 weeks na subject na die off. I was say you beside the critical questions. Now you analyze the issues very well. And to start with you say audit report to be the convention say ya report no we auditor general we report wa na wabo achire di ama public account committee.
Yes.
Na public account committee atna say o ma discuss womo a omo ye involve no ya frɛ womo to confirm or deny.
Yeah.
Ewo public account committee no anim. But this one yahu a departure and call public account committee call straight to parliament. Call in a form of a statement ewo parliament and sana after statement ye dane ede ama public account committee. Why this departure?
Owoahene.
Yes,
that's it. You see, you okay no one. And I mentioned make sure say abanyaba. You requested for special audits.
Right.
Special audits ni yakasi ye yes. I don't know different from normal audits na no. Say answer agency be and a minister be ever requested for special audits no. Meaning that minister no ehun say no enyoma bi akoso a I say wodwunu wan won ti ase and sa nyoma no if who minister no onye smart enough na we hu how wa obeye audit na obenya nkofo bi a omodeda some state agencies anu a ombetimi am of fake document it I say we are careful enough to do your audit. But what you say? It's in a deputy finance minister no, and I say finance ministry as a whole no, together with the auditor general no, and of which say auditor general no, and your president Mama and appointed auditor general no, and your president
whoever appointed him not there, or yeah the auditor general of Ghana.
Make a way because some people will say that Mahama auditor general, and you know yes I did. No, make a way now of what you say. Auditor general we President Kufuor ni appointed this particular auditor general. But what you say? You know, you are requested for audit. And finance minister ba no ebusa say more update on what he's doing. And when him say finance minister the time Obabe read the budget in parliament he spoke about this audit issue. 2025 budget.
In fact, last year
yes, he spoke about this audit issue. Say Ghana Boka and I say CKBS so mukotuya omo accounted for 21 billion Ghana cedis. But what you say? It's so wabeka sa same way e parliament and say so 51 no aka say me hu sa de we ye call public account committee though that's the right channel but we din can be make claim e parliament.
Yes,
we make claim e parliament and say obe update here.
Okay.
Say finance minister obeka say your total debt almost 68.7 billion Ghana cedis. Emu 21 billion Ghana cedis no sika accounted for sika konkofo bottom. How can you prove that to us? And ministries bang any agencies bang and a sad any then see or Nti so oba and oba be breaking it down. E try say ministry way, agency way, program way, and I need now amount to 21 billion Ghana cedi. Nti I don't know the finance ministry be here no update omodia break Ghana for say asema me be kan last year no.
Right.
This is the update and these are the agencies that sir irregularities way then a course wo.
Okay.
That's what me say.
Me da say a bio no amount for concern ne say say ye auditor na say me ye head of institution and department na say ye me institution ho auditor me as head no and me in charge no minya a space to provide certain information. Yeah, baby, I say receipt in ho. Ye bisa me responsibility. Me de receipt ba. Question be me chere bibi. Ye ntiase ye bisa mu. Ye masade say me yi ano eboa ema bibia ye kama. Nti amanfo e kan say minister no ba parliament no. Wabeka the side of auditor no kwa, but one presented the response of a nipa na ye auditor wo mo no. Obe responded to sa question say.
Okay. Owoahene.
Yes sir.
That's a brilliant question. Nipa na ye auditor wo mo what I say. They are people they are the various agencies.
Sure.
And me share audit na finance deputy finance minister almost all the government agencies now even MMDC is crown musica 7.1 billion Ghana cedi square no cry away you know ombe audit ebia current leadership na ho no and aban bia be free so a he say omo documentation contractor omo
handing over notes
ni ade nti ebia aban tue sika ebia otie particular sika we say yemfanya ade we ba aban foforo bae no ye tue sika we say yemfanya ade we but we can't see this nti no sika na ye tue say yemfanya ade we na wenfa for example omo ye dry we ne bae dry spell ne bae no Ghana omo ka see ye tinya 8 billion Ghana cedis Eddie Accra 34,000 metric tons of rice. Abano, could you believe that they were able to account for 24,000 metric tons of rice? Into 10,000 metric tons of rice, no, FI. Oh, I need 10,000 metric tons of rice, no, FI. I could go for that's the kind I could go be bottom.
And a honor month will be say.
What I say, it's
now be in charge. And sana ye side jumano. Inti say ye hunu problem na say or also okra 10,000 or they say na ba nuru ni esa okra no a say nipa no ye bisa na no asem ana ye misa na no asem say ye bisa na no asem de anka nura ye bo amane say ye boni nyina ho amane ana.
Owoahene.
Yes sir.
Nipa ni government appointee what you say.
Sure.
Before a ministry will come out so mobile be claim make it claim bia no on be make sure say they have evidence omudi make his claim no what I say but in public domain no sorry agencies in the door so only mean can say or carry ni we receipt we or carry ni we receipt we but I'm sure that if you go there and no request for say be a finance minister there na chere say contract we and I say 21 billion Ghana cedis we my receipt chere say ya boka sa sika and I say sa sika we sika sika ekogu nkofo kotomu a enye sika ye de beye project bia na emom nkofo na aye kutupa so mo de gese sika no mo create fake account mo de gese sika na kogum no mo edi ni free. When you go there and make that request, the finance ministry no make me I'm out that kind of receipts now then open and they will be able to bring people on board. Yes, abi ya audit. Ni who NSS ghost names and ameboa. Ye who NSS ghost names they started to prosecute you. And no more ba abontin beka say no clear. Sisi an person be plea bargain here is no ye freeze e mu account ni ade. But what I say? And the finance minister also can say they are here to prosecute the people involved. Inti okrom ya ye be hu omo a say ye den ye prosecute omo. Inti we say in the coming weeks no some names will pop out. Former government appointees, no, some names will pop out. Some people will come to answer question. Yesterday, say at the news, we say former health minister, so about no answer questions, and I'm a boy.
Report way home.
No, but
okay,
news
in the already the end they am fan.
No, but my question. No. Story. This report.
This report.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now, I also answer question on what?
No.
It's about a question on what?
It's about this. Who's that? This hospital, Agenda 111.
Agenda 111. That's right.
Agenda 111 hospital. No. Yes, say former health minister. No. So be answer questions on it because Agenda 111 hospitals. No. So there are some irregularities. 39
contractors are Jessica. Omo anye ejuma no kra. And that was the report
now. Ubejina simpie so ebeka say Agenda 111 hospitals, no, yeba be siamamu, yeba be yewe. 39 hospitals. Almost so no more MP akot na parliament na yesi Agenda 111 hospital. We yesi. Meanwhile, no contractors Jessica 39. Omudi be 39 hospitals sa sika no ye hu be sika na fa hospitals no so Owoahene make say hospitals ni si hiu. Says you. Ye who baby as our hospitals near them. See, it yes say former health minister should come and answer questions.
Is it a no report no more? And I wanna walk.
And no. Yesterday it came.
From who?
I think the deputy finance minister.
Minister. Because Agenda 111 on their minister can the audit of Agenda 111 project also revealed that a total amount of $7.9 million was paid to 35 contractors as advanced mobilization program. But these contractors have either failed to mobilize to site or the work done is not commensurate with the amount paid. It is worth noting that the advanced mobilization guarantee secured by the 35 contractors who have received $7.9 million have all expired, which means the government of Ghana has no way of retrieving this amount apart from taking legal action. And the 35 contractors, omaje $7.9 million at the Koya Agenda 111, omanye Omatana Hama a cano contract na wu and they say a buying to me or die or mocha just or no more trim.
You see, they be a maker say I hear sometimes one say we a government
right.
You have to be a little bit sensitive to the people. $7.9 million. What the bargain is coming yes kakitwa. We pia koma contractor na say I then aspire.
No, contractor na nye adwuma contract
na expire. It is a bank say be unless we pay another money and I'm
sure.
Inti no adentina a year former government in 2 years can contract na nye adwuma no. Are you thinking about something here? Is it that the contractor is a well-known MPP person? I say it was just slogan. The GC no.
So question you say.
Your man says he can 1 year Jumana or Tina anyway.
Legitimate question. Banana Ghana for Bisa say, Nankes audit no Etrayen. Emma Yahunu say, I did win no 1 year Jumano, and unti Yadini Jinamber anymore, a ye, and a ye. Finance
Minister Nosoka say, we are going to prosecute the people involved in audit no more year. Me sure say we and Nashas here. There are a lot of audit to come.
Okay.
You know, or more involved in this and rather no be ready, or say the law will deal with them.
Doctor, I'm not for cancer document, a big document, but a bino is selected by Bia, any interest, a bit favor, no, a bemananya, if you like, goodwill, will Ghana for a name, as if say. Aban bo modern bia sononko enti no aban chusu ye no peke nea ebeboa ne course sa na ebinom kan ewo ha eno so obeyi ano say
Owoahene senior worker no audit no a big document
sure
what I say and what's the reason why I say ye audit
reason here then.
Say you kasi ye auditor. Me abaya maba. Me hu say ya boka. Nti e kana ya bono. Eno no audit na me ye den. Me ye.
Right.
Me ko ye audit about the whole government, the former government no more ye no. E kana abana ye ka ho asem no. Ana say sika na irregularities abem no. Ne wo audit na ye den ye. Nti say ye auditor, the audit should be restricted to our aim and our goal. So that omo ye be hu omo say they are involved in that illegalities no, we will prosecute them. It is them go say abana for baby a be favor na many omo nya adwen because e can aba and ye finding out the root of this debt. It's in a special audit no, and ye be say the root of this debt no, any agenda one hospital no 35 contractors omo anya den this contractors or 35 contractors omo anya den omo anya
ya mo
contract ye tia $7.9 million instead of them to build these hospitals no omo disika no mamen kan sa omo disika na omo anya hospital no yakwaka omo atena ma contract na ye den I spy nti say aban ne ye den etua eyi foforo ena de bia me ka say me stance say operation recover all loots. Ora must work. I'm sitting here as an NDC communicator. Ora no, as I say, yeah, Juma, this illegalities, any irregularities ya be. I'm calling on our leadership, say, and say yet now na ora no, just slogan keke, because ora no is one of the reasons why Ghanaians voted for NDC.
Me I say yebeba ora no so, but me miss away. Are you surprised? Say Ghana ni say report no can say ye wo aban enuma e wo man yi mu a omo document omo present e fictitious document omo submit no e recycled and the yamfa say ya to mobile phone we ya tua mobile phone no ka agi receipt na ya sign this mobile phone ho ka no e san ye bele aban biom enti che say utua na the mobile phone back no ya tua ho kampere no which means it say utua second one na ebefa ba bi ebefa afei ya say ye forge document receipt was store. Are you surprised? Are you worried? And I say what exactly and who say a problem ama or mine you niema et say.
Owoahene.
Yes, sir.
Sasem na o kan no see between the year from 2020 out to 2024. We read document say recycle of already paid IPCs and invoices. Or say claims amounting to 4.4 billion Ghana cedis submitted for payment were identified as recycled invoice which had already been paid between 2020 and 2024.
Right.
So they originated from Ministry of Roads and Highways. That's 3.6 billion. Ministry of Health 384 million. Ministry of Energy 216.7 million. Ministry of Food and Agriculture 57 million. Ministry of Defense 40.9 million. Independent Power Producers 36.4 million. Ministry of Finance 26.4 million and Ministry of Interior 3.1 million. All these invoices any na kasika na ka say yesan ko tua biemo. But after the Auditor General report, Auditor Behun said even all this money in Ukraine they had already been paid in 2024. Njaba na say no mo sande kwa ka budget won say Ghana ye debt ye de kwa kan wa omu create 5 commercial banks to say we should receive or we should use those banks to receive this money. Owoahene, the irregularities and the illegalities in the former government, it was mind blowing. Owoahene,
a systemic problem, and I say peculiar to previous administration.
Owoahene,
yes, sir.
Say a for the first time, which administration a Bank of Ghana bought 60 billion Ghana cedis? Bank of Ghana ni mbo kada. For the first time. You bought 60 billion administration.
example ben a person dey say
make us much in the say MPP ye ban reckless spending. Reckless spending na MPP number 1. Abanya omuye reckless spending. MPP number 1. In this idea me can tell say systemic problem. Reckless spending.
But proud to MPP coming to office you know auditor general report or you know irregularities.
By 90 say even Ghana, Ghana, 50 time Ghana, Bank of Ghana, President Mahama time, since President Mills time, ABC, President Mahama first time. What they say, Bank of Ghana Boka?
It doesn't matter.
Young Boka. By these people, they took over from 2017 to 2024.
Right,
Bank of Ghana Boka, even 1 year, 2024, 60 billion.
Doctor, this issue now, can hold as a still I know the response at you for a pen for my systemic because ye can't to us ye.
My response me
can't per solution. Ye me can for the cameras. Ye me can radio so
yes.
Now ye jai next year, next 4 years. I buy for member no. Now ye can the same thing.
Say ya dear ye be for cameras keka. Inka NDC government finance ministry which is headed by Honorable Kese Atoforsen inka yan requested for this special audit saying ye and also inka be mention 2025 inka be my update say na dia na I koso meaning this NDC government per se ye putting a stop to that,
right?
Into the response is that ye per se ye putting a stop to that. Intina Yama Ghana for who say Sisiano, ye buy no special audit ye a saving Ghana 21 billion Ghana cedis. Say sika way ye sika inka ye jaya hua inka be konko for bottom. But because of better governance by the NDC administration, ye timi save your man 21 billion Ghana cedis. And that 21 billion Ghana cedis ye ska ye bet me dia ye nyoma bebre. This that the government doesn't even own them.
So how come
Doctor, they created that account? So as Ghanaians, you see, and I say as political parties, Ghana for no mutual abamaya, they seek accountability from us. What I say, and they see ABC swan open away. No, they seek accountability from us. And day in day out, you need to update the public what is going on.
Every time for any outis Dr. Evans Fosu, NDC communication team member. Unfortunately, no, and courage oye MPP communication team member no late kakra. Sebeya at your phone kase. Mama doctor more time chain courage. But Afina Nyamiadum watana say courage. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
It is saying,
Adam Niashe.
That's right. That's right. Yo, yeah, that's a great time. No continue. Yamfa present reason unto Hona Yamuramu Street. Na yanko ye name. The issue at hand, the Nora information, special audit report about Bontain relative to previous administration. No, particularly 2024 no. Na issues bebre and about Bontain so far. What can be, what to be, what follow be, and then ye keka home. How do you feel, say Ghana ni? How do you feel, say MPP near more buying than 2024? Nan sama ye kan no it presupposes say mo ban breso na see ye enti no. How do you feel?
Okay, menda wa se wo akwenya we odi amame so na mechia ye former MP Honorable George Mekuduka,
right?
Ne bia me boni din asama me kan say the standard has been raised, and if you think you can meet the standard nye kasa bebre nye into atwa bebre the overma the good people of Tarkwa and Sayem te said you no buy ya obey njuma bebre each and every community within the constituency obey hu nensa no adwuma ho no you follow suit, you live. I mean, now also why you be sana ama Tarkwa and Sayem for ajiwedi makansa na me chair former MC Honorable Benjamin Kese and yeah chairman, but I'm any MPP for you now. Nature. Now, in Kofor try some politicizing, I begin to. I am a dream. I'm here because say we never buy no. There is nowhere a political party the woman a political party. There was no political party. There was nowhere as a MPP. And as a MPP need these or the way ko is it, and as all the BBA and as all the bank DBA ko say bind in the car. Yes say a year or mine and I say a year a bind no, and I'm called for anyway the government was asked to pay those amount of money. Young as a political party and as a MPP don't just ask away. You understand? Yes, you can argue. Say those contracts are binding the this agenda 111 money at the buyer. But then you and I we attested to the fact that say are binding your contractor. We have technocrats a contract or the contract name. So until office, that's what will be back. We've experienced so many cases in this in this our country. People would go Obibema Obiska say Abibema Obiska son konkoye project. Obema contractor beba obekwa koyi skirmishes bi ana so obekwa ko twa de bi this is the progress hana maye do and away costing me say this costed and I say this amounted to this amount of money. We've experienced so many times. You understand? Ye nyini no me tama me nyini no JJ His Excellency awenya no because JJ Rollins time. Omo traffic see oni valley akra ebisi ye. Buy obi je ne sika so anaso obi je aban ne sika so de ye kwan and buy e kwan no no sika na nipa na je na entally he had to take the person on. So all these things, when we talk about corruption, we begin to say, oh, once it happened under the MPP government, MPP for the corruption. I mean, how did we get here? You understand? There is nowhere within the report. And I mentioned there is nowhere within the report.
I know a fact.
It is the fact. So, the committee is an independent institution. We don't politicize it. It is an independent institution. It is not subjected to any political party. And I said it is not subjected to any external influence. It is independent. There is a reason for that. What they say, send the abe to me aye omojuma no my ne fenchim omoye omo auditing to me aye led by the auditor general to me aye no my ne fenchim I am ko ban say e ya ban way time because a political party ni influence auditors report no there is a reason for that. It is that if the auditor general has been able to uncover all this information, it is time maybe we should think about ways we can take those people on. Those contractors, whoever is involved, obiana or try say onye juma bia and say abinding denika, no they abinding the call or the bank didn't because say abinding denika and you or mutuas canon kono. Some crofon take you on. It is not about abinding the car say obinfa and also obimbra mekanjens or the nekana wabra bibisa anyway abinding the car the nature and I answer I abinding the
person say they acted on their own.
They acted on their own, so we don't attribute those things to the government. Okay. The government was there. It was between the government and those people. You understand? It was between the government and those people. The government was there. People created the impression say abine the omokasi omo the banks didn't be crab by say abine or the own banks no and then based on the auditor general and I say auditing no year no based on that report they got to know say some claims now some crofon that I mean those people make it say abine the omokano and then omo the banks didn't there was nothing like that in existence.
Okay.
You understand? And then you say through agenda 111.
How about agenda 111? Contractor, ya mo contractor or mo anye. Where do we place a buying responsibility? Because it was one of the buying flagship programs. At least a buying supervision there. Now it was a buying and also
and I make a choice say. The government is there. Yes, the government decided the contract. I cited an example. Say we live in a country where, yes, all the contract member all right, but then when it comes to the situation where there is this I don't know. But then when it comes to the control and then the supervision over there, yes, you blame the government. So But then in a situation where we should bear in mind is that when it comes to issues of corruption, and I say corruption, it's in a society example say, ya will country be more obi to me ko try we be ba say aban say na my be edu, and as a project we are the share mesano, ahana my edu. So then you don't solely blame the government, say he is responsible. You can make a point. Say the Abai did this, and I said the government didn't supervise. But then to act, and I said to say, and I said to create the impression, say the government wanted to use that, and I said through the Agenda 111, and I said the Agenda 111 policy as an avenue to steal from, and I said to take away public funds there. Me, I don't agree with you. So if that is the case, yes, Agenda 111, yeah, okay. See, why almost buy almost 60 projects in Ghana.
No, it is not about say almost and almost you. The argument and say or yes specific 35 contractors.
A point now may build. What do you say? So okay, say once people are trying to create the impression say a Agenda 111 a buy that than a buy no. They say a numu na buy a try say like it is a breedy corruption. My main kind of that initiative alone, and I said that policy alone, a breedy corruption. To the extent that even some of the contractors, omo claim say, omo ye project ni bi, e man komo ba bejiska. And Americans say yes, ubet me make it a point no, ubet me make it a point. It is perfectly understood, but then to solely blame the government for that, I don't know one yarding because the government gave out the contract.
Right. The
government on himself, once you give out the contract, the person is expected to go and work, and we've encountered so many circumstances that. People will go and work. People will go and take something, a picture somewhere, and then come and present to you. That is why we have all this auditor. I mean,
Auditor General report
or this auditing and the whole stuff. No, what is its relevance? If your perception, no, and I say in himself going forward, we wouldn't, and I say experience a situation of that nature. I'm not sure Zenkasa or the Auditor General's department and Gabewo into existence. It is as a result of all these things, and as Myanmar we were there, and as some institutions were there. So if that has come, and I said this has been brought to light, it is time the government, which and I said government or war in power, will take the issue on. Whoever is responsible, whoever is part of this, this thing should be taken on to serve as deterrent for others.
Right.
Because corruption, I always say corruption. There's no way you can to corruption as a crime. It can only be reduced. Corruption is part of us. Those things are, and I say the reporter, a auditor general, and they buy. There's no way me who say a political party be an a politician.
Issues now, Omabo Boson, there when a strike or power you want to talk about. Issues now report now so far and not deputy minister and Mayeti and there when a strike you want to talk about
the one thing I am a year that 8.1 billion and I'm for claiming say some contractors claim say are buying the omokano and then in Kayasa buying the Etiamom which contributed to our public debt.
Right.
So meaning say had it not been this auditor's report, and I say if not for this auditor's report and I wouldn't know say, and I say we wouldn't get to the root of all these things, and I say who say 8 million man for say I buy any deal me and trust you a road rather say
okay,
and Kabani would have gone ahead and then issued out this money because it's currently as it stands, it is part of our public debt. You say a nyama we and I say sikawi and I buy near the amount for car. But then meanwhile, based on the auditor's report, it just says Sasika we about 8.1 billion Ghana cedis. A yadia ya kan was a Kanyama and I say a casca buying a microphone. But then based on evidence and I say based on investigations that Auditor General Department for near and I say Auditor General and year when they say this 8.1 billion claim is false, it is nowhere. You understand? It is nowhere. So if that is the case, we don't politicize it. If you are case, and I say we experience a situation where, and I say you somewhere within the report, say somebody's name has been mentioned, and I say a politician who is attributed to MPP, the name has been mentioned, that then you would have gone ahead to say okay, fine, it is MPP, and the MPP need now go this album, But okay, in a situation where probably you may have to probe, now someone say indeed. The culprits, those involved in this saga, baby or more, identify those people and only a bit ahead near Kodis and Komono. But then currently as it stands, and my ending Komo say, I bind that dano, and I try to obey you so and no as an avenue, Eddie risk.
Very well.
Yending Komono say, the whatever findings are the Auditor General and their battle, Yan Tontrini, we should take it on, we should probe, near identify a profile involved.
The other issues were during the dry spell now about the northern part of Ghana, no. More kokra, abang etia 34,000 metric tons of hoka. But Minister of Food and Agriculture supply only 24,000. That means 10,000 metric tons up to date, you know. Yenhunu babia a war. Eno ho asam so no omo erezi ye ewo ho sa the same thing applies to a Bruno and so 100,000 a year koye 11,000 plus penny itim supply out of the 100,000 no ni nyina so ye 100,000 ho ka with this ube responde saying
sir enye Ministry of Food and Agriculture no mo dey buy even Trade Ministry no mo dey you understand it's in a major say whatever be the case right now. Yes, we've been able to identify all these ministries. We had people who were in charge of these key positions. Who was the head then? That is why America said reports now about CCNO. This is the time for us to probe. You understand? This is the time for us to probe. People should come and answer questions. Someone in charge then. I don't know buying them out. Saska we are the Saska we now. I don't know want to leave you up to expectation. And I said the amount intended for that purpose. No, I didn't know when using it now. Many why I say Ebiana Nipakono Babi I don't know has a reason. You understand? There is a reason. The auditors report now just Abananti and
we guilty. That
no. It is time. Internet say Attorney General and then the other states. Institutions. No, the responsible institutions should fight, and I said they should probe into the matter, identify the key people, ask them questions. If it demands, said we send them to court and get them prosecuted. Why not? You understand? So this is the time for us to make. I am focused on we probing, and then we
near ACNO. A systemic problem be a war Ghana because me beside Dr. Fosu. Doctor say yes systemic, a peculiar to
so it
that
is
regime.
It is peculiar to
MPP regime.
No? Then no, listen. You've been giving
Don't worry. Don't worry. Many meeting okay. We say this particular one maybe that's a systemic problem. Obviously, there be a systemic, a peculiar to this MPP regime. Or Trasan Kobe mentioned names to Kraba because there be young Kohonum. Entino, do you see? Say,
did he say it was deliberate?
Or did I?
Or say he made mention of the one.
Okay,
so then, Ayame Busam was say, if you are saying it is deliberate, it is deliberate in what sense? It is deliberate in what sense? Are you saying it is deliberate because it was a policy the government was trying to implement, and then through that policy, people had the opportunity to extort? And I said people had the opportunity to get away with state money. Is that what you are trying to insinuate? Is that the ideology? You understand? Is that the ideology? Is that why you are saying it is deliberate? And I am telling you, say, currently as it stands, if we are within the country, yes, the government is responsible for all these things. When it comes to the supervision and all stuff, the government is responsible. Just as recently we went to those states, the likes of NHIS, even hospitals, universities near their now, when they went to the Public Accounts Committee, accounting for, that particular financial year became a problem. You understand? It became a problem. How is it not? It is part of the system. That is why I made mention of the fact that when we talk about corruption is already in the system. The only thing you can do is to reduce it. You cannot kick out corruption from the system
entirely.
You understand?
Okay.
You cannot. So if you say it is deliberate, within a say inflated price, people will go and then bring fake invoices.
Garage. Because of time, it may be so way last night. I'm the next in common. So the next question I'm maybe sound is what should the approach I take with this issue? yebenya positive results to be a friend because Amafoka say the Abaya approach in the first place, it is for the Optus. And in the sense say normally, conventionally, audit report first go to public account committee. Then they come to respond with evidences. Yes, then a report is submitted to parliament. A honor say be debate report na ya debate your own statement. And TB can say even on the floor of parliament, deputy minister no can say already minority shoot to assemble down. Therefore, ENCO public account committee it has already taken NDC MPP dimension. What's your understanding or your view? Ever a buying approach and not a American same way in 3 minutes na men komra.
That is why I made mention my earlier submission make us say whatever reporter auditor general on the about it deserves to be probed.
Sure.
What do you say? A probe. The report now will have to see and your reporter genuinely say you are basing on this report to accuse people and I say you are basing on this report to take a decision. You cannot do that. Just as if you go to parliament, we have committees there. Just as you mentioned, the public accounts committee. When it comes to issues that has to do with the state resources, say parliament when they say nyama we say and I say parliament senses say na sikabia eso mu use for bibia fa bibia. It is the public accounts committee now kwa account. You understand? Who at those state institutions, hospitals, university, those institutions that are under the government, that is where they go. Recently, will be a parliament. So if this has come, and then instead of it going to just as you indicated, it is public accounts committee. You go there, those who are involved, they ask the questions, they answer. For all you know, internet makers say for all you know, they have reasons. Or for all you know, say report the report back. Reports can be flawed. You understand? Who knows? Reports can be flawed. And here we are that is why the systematic process. They said you can audit a report or they buy. Then we probe it. Who is responsible for ensuring that we probe it? Just as you mentioned, the Public Accounts Committee. We delve into it. We identify the people. They come, they answer the questions. If say indeed you want to say they are guilty, and I say still you want to say report your auditor general the amount for you responsible, and I say the omo can and no there, then we take them or we prosecute them. That is all.
May I say courage oye ebisan for utie for God and country jumadi a higher Sompa 101.1 FM ukwada numre bia and e dey say jumadi bro Heaven Herbal Clinic and Organic Seeds womo ewo ye Tarkwa haya womo kan kire wo se wo yade bia wo wakwan mu afabra na ye nhwe yade na yade se benada ne wukuoda bia womo 10% free body screening enonti ya na wahye no nsom womo ton mampon scientific for plant and herbal research for enrono enso ebi womo woniema bebre silicone breast no womo obi womo waist trainers BBL corset no wo de ball yemu a ana ebema wo yemu na ye tratra kama na usisi ne o hips no yi ni nyina no opese onya BBL shape a womo wo sa ne ma ni nyina bi wo ho me pa che o ye adwuma dwoada kosi memene da new atoabo Methodist Junction hwa 0539517771 na wafre womo Vema Plus Limited say Prostavad capsules na bema Johnson tot no ejai unya bi ebebo pa frɛ wo mo 0244370702 na one wono eni nkomo oga odogu bites no bisuafo bites bi a eboaw ma atenka ayira esanba ma na yemu yade bi a wafa bi no ni nyina abekɔ na wa hoden so be page kama wada roma wo ba ana frɛ number we are 0242655444 onsa ebeka bi BS Kitchen Annex se brana bedidi ye didi a na ye aduane pa ye wo emo aduane fufuo banku ene aduane bebre wo ba ha ye be ma internet free wo betima frɛ yen 0547007139 Market Circle Chandis Bar dada no mu ho na ye wo Roman Father aduro Father Martins say Wunya sadro bi ebeboa wo yade bi da kwankro wakwa enkwa oba ha yebeboa wo ama ni nyina akọ ede ama frɛ 0342655444 na won sanka Father Martins edrono ebi oye because doctor na share first topic na senti oye ma memfa we nhyɛ ase wo ho enom time no nti ye nyi we mfiri quick one na yenkodi second common has to do with the sliding scale royalties and mining royalties are banded bano. Say abandoned the ne package no ababontain. The world superpowers can say abaya mo O2 no ebe hard no munyai US, UK, China, Australia or munyina say agana abaya mo O2 will go the dreadie no with sanshire we no onyai. Nyame adom abanya yama ababeye emra awie enti emra na ababeye awie no nti minority so can say abande no ba ebema eye ahokyere aba and the sliding scale no botaye nyina ne say said ya to gold no ne bo sesan adwaman so ekosoro ayesika ekosoro eba form ayesika still ebe royalties ebenya no still a ebe kosoro ewo ho enom oye ma minti o quick one ewo ho enom abantie superpowers na asema mo kana onye de ebe boa no Ghana mramu
wakonya odiama me bio so meka ne say
eno yenya ne quick one so, 5 minutes na ma frɛ for mramu
dia me pesa meka ne say when it comes to this issue of, you see, also if Obe Kaya, this issue we didn't care about that royalty rate.
Yeah, that
10%. In fact, the net flat rate near 5%. And Tama, MPP are buying and negotiating called 10%. Now you know say 10% in a celebration of mediocrity in the west of Sami Jemfi. And 10% the other year. But now, me tackle the sliding scale. You see, we understand perfectly. Say, I buy no, or more revenue. But then more revenue na ye nyana. Am I in more revenue na ye pesi ye nyana chi. Na ye jeopardize your chances and I say ye jeopardize your image to the public world. As in your image to those foreign investors, any even local investors. Why am I saying that? We shouldn't forget, say, within Africa, and I say even in the world, mining. There were other countries or why mine the likes of South Africa, Guinea, Burkina Faso.
Right.
So in your quest to stay competitive, as in when it comes to those tax burdens and royalty rate and stuff, you make sure say you set a royalty rate that will make you competitive. You stay within the range. Until say investor neighbor. The investor, looks at, the country, looks at the environment, looks at the taxes available and the royalty rate, makes a decision based on the facts. So when they say, all those, available factors, are favorable, so be investment or. It is all catch me say fine. Say yeah, sliding scale between 10% and 12%. So at the end eba format, which means you budget 10%. Say of course you budget 12%. Now say no, share the likes of Meba, share Tanzania, omo royalty rate is around 4%. Share Mali, almost a sliding scale between 5% 6%. Share Botswana 5%, Guinea 5%. And then how are we staying competitive with this? And the BM also investor no oba the investment no. Since the royalty rate could do between 10 and 13%. How is that going to benefit the investor? How is that going to make the environment favorable? You understand? Because aside the royalty rate, we have other taxes. The corporate tax, the pay as you earn tax, the growth and sustainability levy. They will drop it from 3% to 1%. All these taxes and other taxes are available. And then you go ahead to increase the royalty rate. So you understand how is that going to benefit the investor? How is that going to make the environment attractive and favorable for the investor to attract a lot of investment? That is what we should be focused about. And I said we should be focused on. If say fine tuning to revenue are generating, and I say generating more revenue, yet who generating more revenue ebeboa say royalty rate no e 10% yenya 10% yenya 11% even yenya more than that ebeboa but yen kan who say any other countries na dey compete in terms of investment. How are we going to process our things, and as how are we going to environment in such a way say investor bi woni sika ohun say Burkina Faso ye too gold or ohun say Cote d'Ivoire ye too gold or ohun say Guinea ye too gold then be can say Umbra Ghana embra no be too gold. That is
say honum de no fomana
if the cost of, which is one thing has to do with the cost of production. So if all these things are there, probably it will impact on the cost of production. And we should also bear in mind, say, aside this, there are other volatile, commodities are impacted on the cost of production. The likes of fuel, the likes of electricity, and all those stuff. You understand? Nyama we na him say volatile no change anytime. What they are saying? Into the investor no any that to say no to say a flat rate na 5% no. Oni say then 5% no tia. Say fuel cost ro, say electricity cost ro na man the cost of production cry cost ro cry. Because say over 5% flat rate a tia nti then or then ahun hale bi anato or any that so bi then but then in a situation where obesa here no a sliding scale such that it do time be so tia 13%. And I say OTR 12%. It do time be so OTR 10%. Into even when and the cost of production in air cost for grano. Say if say for a gold prices cost are still bet to 12%. Then it means that in a way, they are scaling down their operations. And I said their level of production. So just to compensate. Into a idea I was say a buy no or yen the check or yen the balances here. And sana na mombi e won ne aden
year two
kasi ye ma ya adwin na akodi revenues na ahwa na eno no mom akọ create problems ama
me da se bebre courage oye e na ate kan MPP communication team member mark emu message or about or say courage submission will always make you think that the other the other panelists came to do propaganda. The gentleman is an epitome and repository of wisdom. He speaks with facts and data, devoid of baseless attacks and allegations. Mark Emua Tarkwa ne de buy no. Also wait me de aba. Wait me YouTube live. Sompa YouTube no. Sompa FM live na wabo ashim na walaki. Doctor, ma mintie wonso in the next 5 minutes na yema frɛ for kwan ansa na yakɔ.
I say ewani. You share this sliding scale policy and allow your mudiabe. You see, me make us say a win-win profit. And I say a win-win game for government and its investors.
Right.
Now, flat rates, now brother say 10% or I say increase from 10% to 12%. It's not 10% to 12%, it's 5% to 12%. That's the rate, the sliding rate. You said specifically that
example says
it's from 5 to 12.
Example says hold on. Now
you can go back. You can go back to the video and listen to yourself.
Now example say nipa nya flat rate say be at 10% and not 12%. Better than say ye no sliding scale.
No, can say Mali for rate no at 5%, and I also say one can.
Mali or
one can. Okay. No, I say Burkina Faso say 3% to say then. No, I will explain that to you. So listen to me. This sliding rate here by now no gold price at that saying 4,200 ounce and I'm almost 40. I buy and say, look, this flat rate, it's been there for so long. It is a good price. I'll call 5,000 ounce. They will still give Ghana for a 5% and sure. Let me read the report. It's not no Kamali way na metio mention it.
Mali submission na yanko.
Mali, omo aye this sliding rate. Omo the sliding rate e buy in the year
sliding scale
e buy in the year 2010. 2010. And let me give you this. Embra a gold price no about between 1,000 and 1,300 ounce no.
Right.
Their rate was 5.5%. But what you say? Below 1,000 ounce no, Mali, their rate was 3%.
Okay.
But what you say? Between is it in the year 2024? Between is it between 1,000 ounce no? Okay, so between 1,600 and 2,000 ounce no, their rate was 7%.
Okay.
2,500 ounce and above, their rate was 8%.
Right.
4,200 ounce, their rate was 10.5%. But what I say? Mali, I catch say me read the Mali report. No, I saw something. Mauritania in the year 2012, no more the sliding rate ebaye. Ivory Coast in the year 2014, no more the sliding rate ebaye. Zimbabwe in the year 2019, no more the sliding rate ebaye. But what I say? Now, all these countries, somewhere and say 3% will apply when the gold price is below 1,000 ounce.
Okay.
But what I say? It is over. I say up to now, no Mali gold price 5%. Then what are you trying to say?
Okay, from Mali, no, Ghana,
Ghana, no. I buy it now, no. Yes, sir. Now, no gold price no increasing. Right. Now gold price is over 4,000 ounce. What may I say? You want a situation and a condition where the government will benefit.
Okay.
And the investor too. What if now no that flight rate near 5%? What if you better so now gold price now by less than 1,000 ounce? You better investors still they should pay the 5% now. And no much 5% on Mumboka. Some Baboka. It is this sliding rate near the Abano. Abaya and say when the gold price reduces, the rate will reduce.
Okay.
When the gold price increases, the rate will increase.
Okay,
that's simple as ABCD.
The royalties, no.
The same thing in Mali, Burkina Faso, Tanzania, Mauritania, they've adopted.
Okay.
And the document is here.
Right.
If Odaotemia, I can give you the link. Go and read the Mali gold royalty rate and other things. And on himself, when you come to government, Ghana, our mining sector, no, foreign companies, no. Only 80% of it. Ghana owns just 20%. So out of the 80%, Canada only 20% of our mining shares. South Africa is 16%. China 32%. USA 8%. Australia 4%. Ukabuma, foreign countries only 80% of our mining extractions and all those stuff. That is the reason why they are putting pressure on the government. Say, abandoning and reducing and reconsider the way the decision because Omunim say, increase, they don't want to accept that. But make sure that you are in a country whereby, though we are a developing country, we have a lot of natural resources. We can empower our people. You bet me, I empower young call for. To take over this mining site now, most of my day, or more the machines near the my day, or must start this mining activities. We can't just give all our natural resources to foreign countries. Right. No more than 80%, and we government, you be only 20% of our mining infrastructure. Then country, you acquire na you buy, and the Mali now, Mali Casa, no. Now, no, almost set way now to 10.5%. Because I share the whole Africa, Ghana, and they are the largest producer of gold in the whole Africa. It's the largest producer of gold, Na say so benefit and our interest in gold production is small, minimal. Then you have Ghanaians to come and sit here and say that the Ghana government can attracting investors. Then what are you trying to tell us?
Me da say doctor,
to do this mining works.
Ebusafo ha na doctor ne oye omo be home mo so mo bre enie. At this point the number is 054661 8774 0260196062. Hello, good evening.
Owoahene Acheampong.
Kwajo we say.
One police for
Nyame adom me da se kwajo ye nko ahoma no so aye hye pa. Yes sir.
So we know we contract for you come. No we just getting that. Then the Pagona like man, I will say, who's been born about us war. I don't know what I'm saying. So the first back day in the had a policy. But I don't do it, but who tell our Karawamobi. Support the when you were in our supporting the Pagano. Ghana to the law. Right. Then policy. The one that woman can say, there's a new panel. You cannot, or Amazon yet one yet.
Kwajo me da say yemfa obi foforo anumre ewo ha enom 0546618774 0260196062. Hello, good evening. Okay. Ubetimi abo awram na ode adwenkyere no aba ewo ha enom Freedom Arc Natural Mineral Water eguso kaka yesa wode nsupa na badwa eso enti ubetimi ahwe na nso wajibi anom sebe ye bebo wayi ase awade ase party ase baby aye no no ehotre ehotwa yopo enti no kona kopebi na ebebo a fra wo 0244534603. Good evening. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Would anybody be Kasa free? Nyame adom.
Yeah, you make a sita.
Medas mamintio.
What's a Nepal show? Yantihan American for more the taxes, the Gugu Yama baby. So, yeah, come Kromo Kasayam. If you see any idea about benefiting and not see taxes or is it your friend? How do you call this thing? Not a bit involved, my nine. In America, catch a necessity guy.
Okay.
Maybe in your mediation. Now, to your president, audit report now. What? There was normal reporter. Way, they call public accounts committee. Way, minister now requesting on why I'm. And I am the same place original I can't say my institute the first audit report. I want to sort in a result to the court. No, they are quite way until say they are meeting or ye they are called Nanka never be a teacher one year and I never want to person.
Yada say info people for 0546618774 0260196062 na wabo ede remudi adwenche na ba Odifo Daniel Herbal and Spiritual Clinic no wo mugusu a ye kaka wo se baby bia wo bia ubetime aba wo mo nche no aba beje wa yaresa ewo akwanuasa nyina. Good evening.
Good evening, Ryan.
Yes sir, we dey baby akasa fi
Michael Moani Tarkwa.
Medas mamintio.
Ryan, my friend here, my mini carries. Tani I'm testing and I'm ranting no. Odino kwama bibia the would say akwana nwati na no awo onim yo aka.
Yentio.
You say auditor general report the see obi discuss obi ayi see obi ka anyi. O wa na enye kasa o. Tani e men enye kasa ten. So be a discount and pay you to so be a discount. If one year fire sika, and I see I didn't find a port. You better charge no. Now I don't have a port process similar discount. The funny MPP about when you send this what discount, yeah, Jessica. Sapa Pepper Mombasa final so. Now for your day, media so land this for try one for 4. Maybe we are tenant the sour, say anybody different. I find out about what you are no. Now I penny. I say no. See, the time I was at media for a month and Chinese for no. Now when guys are buying a more password, they be our time I'm putting so much discount and I'm one line. I'm almost actually be obedient to my Madonna. I can't do tomorrow.
Right. Yeah, that's in Yamishrao. And also there 0546618774. Hello, good evening.
5 evening.
Would anybody be our Kasafi? Medas Mira, my inti wa nyumre. Nyame adom.
Oh, fine. NDC, when you are a member, or you know, but you know, or China, you know, fine. When you know, why are they? Now, so call it or call it, but I can share the Obia to Mr. Brother, Obia no over by a band over on this car. Brother, as you know, a present catch up the India Banskada. Obia Renua, Obia Banska, Bacade, Odia Beniska Pasua, Obano. But it's become a big year. Engine of Boafu BTN. The word is car. Would you secana the word Diana Catado? What? But ye handed before. Ye, Ubian with a car. Sebi. 8 good years, my brother, a Jonkwa, a MPP, and a Ghanaian, Jessica, young Kofu, Nenka, near domestic Kaya brother, Benjamin Kata. So, a Wabenu, the Kaya would be bread and pocho, or Yamawa, I mean, now near Chicana, or on your mom. Now, Susan, a month in this car, man, Cadet, who on our way this canker thinkers in the end to one, fine. But man, can there any more to where this guy one for one cocotte? And yen in a what they cocotte, one first taking for no cocotte.
Yeah, I say, for Bill for good evening. Hello? Okay. Ubet me a friend answer waba 0546 618774 0260 196062 na waba once wadren chere na ode atom kama. Good evening. Yes, sir. What do you say?
He's empty my Yakono. What part of my Yakono? This is under the radio when you're there, my friend. On different one. This is there. I go communicators now. Always, you know, over from away. Was about the father. This is there. And people work as them put it there. Then this is the message. Owoahene. Then this is the then people who buy the 4 years. Then people better position. Your mom and uncle can own also people put about 4 5 don't want to or don't come on kind of half not also these are people apart these are ready to go over to go when you go one these are one to communicate so one side message now our friend it would be better for
Mr. Medas me oh friend waba good evening.
Hello.
Good evening. Yes, I would any baby our kasafi. Medas maminti wa anyimre. Idase.
Aha. Obi ajiska. Na say watching na. Em na kwatu na so de nefa. Na say what's expected to diska. Na say asam no fan court. Na say ube dina fidie na ka o se ni perdia. Na say wa pa na de che o pa se o diska ni fa che. Oh. Adi atam say ube dina fidie na say o ma comment bi anu wa hwe ubekulu refund and wa mako sana nanu ayi James gina hote na
yemfa nanu de ne de nsi yenkan ne nko ade na yenko yeni medase bebre wetimi afre na so de adwenkyere no aba 0546618774 0260 196062 na wabo awram Akwa City Hotel say unya hoho anwumre ubetimi aba abesoye no na obema no ba bia da kama 0244 259345 womo wo Aboso Road Municipal Education Office na chi. Good evening.
Good evening.
Yes, I would any baby akasafi. Marke maminti.
Second say you see am go foka. No mo mbra mbe defend the party. Yendim ya no pray yen ni ka fanya no pray yendim ya ka sa sa. Ake on go go do mo se si you do mo ka ma ya sai ba. Tare mum oba o ya o so ya na mo ni. Ni ya be ka bo ma no. O ka e ko be ye bo ma won can defend the party. Nti ya free radio ni me ti contribute ya ba be defend the party. E Ghana for ni on ko ye be ka. Anu ne ya be ye. Na say yen defend the party. Give us let you go be ka. I'm going to be a young for defend the party. After you can have in Canada, then you put you tell me.
Meda say yemfa obi foforo ewo dwumadie so ena nwumre for God and country dwumadie no ukwada nwumre bia no me ensampai mu kopem nonum pai mu enche nonum be pai mu nonum pai mu ayebekọ akofa kasebo hyehyehye hot bite na yede abro kasebo edi kan Ghana ha ema obia etie bie yede no ebeto awo so dwumadie no live ewo YouTube Sompa FM live na afi wadi yachi ewo ho enom ma mintie unso wadren kyerɛ ansana yakɔ yanim mepacho ye chance odo wadren kyerɛ beba no sɛ obota ne sɛ obetu kwan akɔ amanone a nkrata asɛm te sɛ visa no wode bɛkɔ akɔma emipro fo bɛyɛ ne kama ɛde ama wo madwuma no libi bia anim kontompo na ada kana na anim yɛbɛyɛ nkrata genuine na yɛde ama wo wakwantuo bɛyɛ kama wobɛkɔ US wobɛkɔ Canada wobɛkɔ China ene other countries anything akwantu ye foreign akwantu bia wo de frɛ wo mo no wo ni nkomo akwankyere bia wo ho wo de be ma wo ama watumi akɔ wo mo akra Achimota more na chipe 0344924673 na wajone wo mo ewo ho enom cancelled Mr. Eya hotutuo aduro sa adurei abusanfo ya hyeda aye no kwan sonko so se eboa ema eye yeyaw efri nipadua mu eye haban no bra no nsini ye de afa abefo kwan so na abedare cancelled Mr. ye ne takwa ha ya Trust in Jehovah Clinic 0244871862 na wafre onsabeka bi ene de usi dania Oyonko brebo God Services and Logistics Limited. Ahano ubenya plumbing ho niema nyina PVC pipes, polytanks, bath accessory and water closet ho niema. Afi eba no adanse ho niema te se apono nsafo cement, iron rods akese nketwa nadwa akese nketwa, paint assault ohwi barrows, mason for niema, carpenter for niema, ni nyina bi ewo God Services and Logistics Enterprise. Okwa ombebo Tarkwa new site. New site station echi hope ena womo ewo wombetime aboa frɛ womo ewo number eso 0540969729 0504983420 womo ye mobile money enso honti ya na wahye nso M7 computers frɛ say mauna mo to na tumni kabra womo nkyɛn ye mo akwanuasa nyina mu sɛ be ya ubetumi ene wono atu anamon na anamontu no enyina ene sɛ eba no PA system CCTV camera ne ho ne ma o ni nyina bi wo hɔ a ode ebe ma controller ene consoles ahodo projectors ni nyina ho ne ma ewo hɔ a ode ma Telecell office no nhwɛ ni mu ewo Tarkwa hey ena Golden Lazy Lounge Abrosana se honso wo mo wo ho TNA Stadium Chenwa 0243583423 na afre 0276707055 na no atu anamon Neshman product cosmetics every Turkey over 100 countries na me kasa sese ade abedru Ghana Tarkwa deodorant no boa ni padua no ma bibia kama Neshman cologne also distinctive fragrance uyisu bia all day long na ba bia wa shave bia no fasisi ho servo say after shave ni paduane yie pa opa aboje say ni nyina unya Neshman product ebeboa ama bibia ye kama ko Naomi Beauty Clinic ene high sense dia nimhwe Demarket Cosmetics station Naomi Pretty Cosmetics Market Circle Bembeti supermarket ni nyina mu Brakatu Pharmacy Eben Ecobank afei Wellmans Pharmacy station na UMart Wisdom Barbering Shop Market Circle Blaze Barbering Shop sign at the 4 park in chain 0546708497 na wafre womo ebetumi aboa ama bibia aye kama ede ama well doctor yepon wasama edi awieye na afi yemo aboa ye honkofa kase bono emra okay on yes sir wo microphone ra on right on yes sir
medasi and mede masem be wie no de meka ne say mede minchia edema honorable MP
right
any honorable MC
right
edwuma omobo Tarkwa nsoye ene nimpotem
right
and through their leadership and network issues and Tarkwa for so many years omo for the past 8 years go for attended deaf ears to them, no, and there those places, no, in the oko out me place call. Example, Bonsare me obi ameta ko esu so pa, and me obi so sometimes itanya course pa. Na sometimes we do Bonsare no dey ko esu echi no, the people tell you that, oh, and even say frokra ambana there by there honorable is atila e show mo boss say so to mamia me network idi am. And even before Ombeye MP no started say, oh yeah, one what here in your fame or started I former MP SND call for so munko hotipro because they were in government, and at least oyama honorable isatila it me start this year and there oko Bonsare they have their network oko patahu agreka near dia omonso no they have their network and we have other enclaves around other small communities did this omono so em so coverage in shada and those did this small towers you could see one eye yeah provided this network any one flashy program and person me catch your youth in driving you know they be a big car me say me madam for me in the school e can ho bi no cohort by cohort you know you select 200 you see 40 people and court training, you know, and they were supposed to undergo I think 3-month training, and me yanko mean to me boni din kame boni din right oka that training in one and check a shape cars no, and as it stands now I can tell you for the fact that cars no is in the country. Cars is in the country. I have 40 yeah they be ma this 40 course me say e be kakra takwan so em no the BC da takwan so em no mo no ankasa no mo be de mi bohu. And lastly honorable ba be award teachers award takwa this year, and this year the end there e be saying e be unprecedented and e be say aban papa ba MP so aba. And lastly no commitment any boss shall they share your market women say your bar interest free loan you the be more money and there I saw the happiness in these women. Some receive 3,000, some receive 5,000, some receive 7,000, some receive 10,000. Way yan found come NDC for yan found come way for yes say ye de matakwa market women. Kwanya me first come fi woman be ABA store ono kwanya politically affiliated. I ask the woman, mommy, dey na wunya yana sikano say na wunya. I
say doctor
5,000 Ghana cedis. These are some of the things honorable is actually Salif Taylor and he must be commended for it. Me
say be Dr. Evans for suna ten kan MP NDC communication team member. Courage mama mfa wasem dia wie na yenko.
Doctor Wanka you know in our rows now so mo se mo do bottom ska be.
Yenko.
I go say. Some mo se bottom music wana. Oh the bottom music one board. And doctor Wadama Bonsare network na be na mo wie.
Bonsare network last year ye wie.
Mpacho. So be Owoahene ya frɛ Bonsare. From your Bonsare. And I told you to oh doctor wakasa my am wakasa doctor. Oh the Owoahene ya to production team ni bi nko Bonsare and I say you bi o Bonsare. The catches the network na ye adwuma wo no. Network na ye adwuma wo no. Why na de buy? Network na ye adwuma wo no. MP ben na de buy. E honorable George Mrekudu ka network or the call ye eno na ye adwuma wo. Iti na me busa ne say omo de call time be oh iti omo
doctor manufa na nonsi.
Na me say frobu o Bonsare. Iti na me busa ne say omo wie da ben no. O de say e bia na omo de no omo wie ne da omo wie so omo wie ne da de amini.
Also omo wie last year.
Omo wie last year dia as at January na me ye privy